to the desk of Fusta 2005. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and short first impression video of a product called the Chipolo Wallet Finder. Now, I had never heard of this company previously up until CES 2022 when I was browsing through all the different new products that were coming on the market, and came across this. It's called, like I said, it's called the Wallet Finder. It's does the exact same thing as the Apple AirTag, which I also have. I was an early adopter of that as well, except for the fact that this is supposed to be about the size and even the width. It's about as thin as a credit card. And that was very appealing to me because I currently use the Apple AirTag in my wallet and it's actually helped me find my wallet a couple times when I've been nearby. I haven't left it anywhere or had to use the Find My network, but I've been able to play some sounds and do the little directional thing on your iPhone, and I've been able to find my wallet a couple times. But this one, the Chipolo Wallet Finder, is, like I said, it's about the size of a credit card, about the width of a credit card, and you know, it will alleviate one of my biggest beefs with the Apple AirTag as far as using it in a wallet. It you know, just creates an unnecessary lump in your wallet, and although it's a good thing to have, it's just a little bit annoying when you're trying to keep it in your wallet. It's fallen out a couple times and I've had to chase it across the floor or something. So I think this appealed to me, the Chipolo appealed to me because I can slip it into the credit card slot, any of my credit card slots in my wallet, pockets in my wallet, and it'll be there. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and check this thing out. I had to wait a few months to get this because it was on back order. I bought it back at the end of January just to check it out. It does retail for about $35, although there are some coupon codes that you can use on the Chipolo.com website. And you can get it for a little cheaper or get free shipping, things like that. But I did have to wait because this was on back order. But it's here now, so let's check it out. It's actually called the Chipolo Card Spot. It's a wallet finder as thin as it gets. It can play a sound. We'll have to play around with that. We won't set it up in this video, but I might do a follow-up kind of reviewing the functionality of this device. And you can locate your items on a map. Basically the same thing you can do with the Apple AirTag. It uses the Apple Find My network. They do have other versions of this that work with their own system. They have their own app, but being as I'm in the iOS infrastructure pretty much with my iPhone, I decided they just came out with this one this year as a not a replacement, but you know, just a different thing you can use with your iPhone instead of an Apple AirTag, which I'm kind of surprised that they did. Thought Apple was pretty strict on their usage of their different things that they do. But here we are. So this is why I bought it, because it should be better. Be notified, receive a notification when you leave your item behind. Same thing as your Apple AirTag. Yeah, they actually come in different colors. This one is called Almost Black, and there's not too much else on the packaging. It's just a little sticker here. It looks like they used previous packaging and just stuck a sticker on here. So it is really new to the market. So let's get this open. See what it's all about here. Just have a little sticker holding it together. Another one on the other side. this the non-conventional way here. It's just in the little sleeve here. It's actually attached on the other side, but I took it out. Alright, so first off the bat here, it did get a little squished and packed in the shipping process, so I don't know if they can package it better. That might be something to look into, but you know, we'll see. It probably didn't damage the card at all, I hope. Basically, you set this up the same way as you do an Apple AirTag. Open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad, choose the Items tab, add new item. While the Find My app is searching, press the button on the Chipolo once and you will hear a beep. And then number 3, after setup, you can locate your Chipolo card to the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. And then, let's see, let's pull it out here, and there you go. It's got a little, it's actually got a pretty good packaging now that I pulled it out. It's in a foam container. If we flip it over, looks like there's a pocket with some extra stuff in it. Looks like we just have another card with instructions. The warranty, it tells you how to factory reset. It does have a warranty of 2 years, which is kind of cool. And this one, I would say the downside of the Apple AirTag is that it's bulky, depending on where you're using it, especially in a wallet situation. But that's mostly because you have a replaceable battery, and I have it here. We'll compare it here. This one, I would say the only downside is, and it's not really a downside, is that the battery in here is supposed to last 2 years, and then it'll die, and then you send it into the company, send it back to Chipolo, and they will give you another one for half price. Basically, you know, keep doing this for the foreseeable future. That would be the only downside, is you have to pay for, you know, another $15 to get a new one. But it's kind of nice that they kind of have a recycling program. So to be determined if that's, you know, a viable solution. But I think the pros to this is going to be more than the cons. Hopefully. Well, again, I will probably do a follow-up video on this, and we'll decide from there. But it has a 2-year warranty. The battery is a 2-year non-replaceable battery, like I mentioned. It should last at least 2 years. You do have a renewal option. You go to this website, so you gotta keep this where you can find it, so you can review this later. Kind of goes over the how to set it up again. You can factory reset it if you need to, disable and re-enable. So we'll keep this in here. I'll set it aside for just a moment. But here it is in all its glory. Pretty thin. Not maybe probably a little bit thicker than a credit card, but a lot thinner. Let's just compare it to the Apple AirTag. It is a lot thinner than an Apple AirTag. It's kind of hard to tell, but not really. So, a little dusty. It's a plastic. Hopefully it's fairly durable, but it's just going to be riding around in your wallet, so that shouldn't be a problem. There is, I believe this is the button where you press it. There's a little indentation here. So we'll play around with it a little bit. It doesn't really say too much on the back. Chipolo card spot, the model number, kind of the FCC ID stuff. Gives you a website, made in 2021. And then underneath it, there's a recycle and renew. You get 50% off when it's time to renew it, like I said before, your Chipolo card spot. You scan the card, you scan this and register your card, and you'll receive a reminder probably via email or text probably with a 50% discount 2 years after registration. So obviously if this dies before then, they'll probably just replace it because it does have a 2-year warranty. It should last, the battery should last 2 years. I would assume that they will just flat out replace it if it doesn't last that long. So to be determined. We'll probably do, I'll have to set myself a reminder for this as well. We'll do like a 2-year review, or if it dies sooner, I'll have to do it again sooner. But yeah, I mean, first impressions, this is, I'm not going to bend it because that would be kind of dumb, but it seems rather pretty sturdy. It's not indestructible. It's not made out of titanium or something, which, you know, it would be a lot more expensive if it was. But I believe they do have different colors. I chose the black one because my wallet is black and everything in my office is black. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. The packaging was pretty simple, easy to get open. And once again, I think right off the bat, you know, this is much better than to put into my wallet than the Apple AirTag. Again, the only downside is that you can't replace your own battery, but they do have a system in place to deal with the 2-year warranty. I believe the Apple AirTag also has a 2-year battery, you know, basic battery life expectancy. So that's pretty similar there, and you know, I don't really have too much more to talk about. So if you like this channel and the content therein, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.